Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and today I am going to help you with the installation process of NSE Smart Trading Simulator. So this is the web page where to get started with the installation process. So you will get this link via email, and once you go to this link, this web page will open and you have to click on this link, hyperlink. You see click here to download NSE Smart EXE application. So once you click this, a file will be downloaded. So let the process of downloading happen in the background, and then simultaneously you have to open a new tab and go to, click 7zip. Search for 7zip, and the official website of 7zip you can see here, this one. After that, you have to check if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So you can just go to the My Computer or this PC, right click on that and click on Properties. So you will see System Type and my system is 64-bit operating system. Close this window and just download the 64-bit exe of 7zip, and after installation go back to the folder where you have the NSE Smart downloaded. Just right click on that, and as you have 7zip installed, you will see 7zip after you right click on the zip file, and you see extract files. So extract the files and name the folder as per your wish, NSE Smart. Just extract all the files. Just make sure you are extracting this zip file using 7zip only. So as you see, I have this file extracted. I will open this, and the first step I have to do is install this .NET framework given in the NSE Smart folder. Mostly it would be pre-installed, but still, to check if it is installed or not, you have to install it. Click on yes. Let the process happen. So this says that the .NET framework is already installed. Not a problem, you have to close this window and go back to the NSE Smart folder. Then go to this folder, NSE Smart EXE, where you see all these options. Now scroll down to the bottom, and you have to see this TWS utility. This file, you have to right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click yes. A new window will open now. Now you have to click on Register TWS files. So a few windows will pop up. You have to close all those and close this main window. Now in the same folder, go to NSE Smart and double click. So now this application is installed, and after this you just have to enter the given credentials, your password and PIN, and then click on incremental sync and login. So this was all about the installation. So make sure you're following these steps thoroughly. Thank you everyone.